I am pleased to announce the return of Lost Oak Winery's What to Pair with the Bird.
Take 3, go.
Boxes. Holiday dinner. This year's selection, I've got some wonderful wines for you. First off, we've got our dry rosé frizzante. It's an off-dry. Hold on. Fortified. It's an off-dry rosé. Wine, because we do have our holiday wine release. Oh, jeez.
And go.
I am pleased to announce the return of Lost Oak Winery's What to Serve with the Bird. If you're not familiar with that, it is 4 curated wines. But just to you holding a phone, 4 wines picked for you to go with any holiday meal.
That it is.
Okay, that is it.
You got this. Ready, set, go.
I am pleased to announce.
Rolling.
I am so happy to announce the return of Lost Oak Winery's What to Serve with the Bird this year. So if you don't know what this is, it is a specially curated pack of wines designed specifically for your Thanksgiving meal. And I've got some wonderful options for you this time. First up, we have our Frizzante Rosé. This is an off-dry, so it's got a little bit of a sweetness to it. I suggest this as your aperitif. You can serve this to your guests as they arrive. But we do also have a white, because as they say, that you want to serve white wine with poultry. And this is our Viognier, and that is perfect for that. But let's say you don't really like white wine, or also you've got all these savory, wonderful, rich side dishes. You might want to go red. If that's the case, then we've got our Merlot here, which is fantastic. It's full-bodied. It's got a little bit of a fruitiness to it, so it's not super tannic or super dry. And then for your after meal, we have our Sweet Duet. This is going to go great with your pies and desserts and things like that, or just to enjoy with family after Thanksgiving. But don't forget, as a bonus, you can also come in and get our holiday. This is our 2017 holiday. It is a tradition here at Lost Oak Winery to always do a dry red for a holiday. This one's got just a little bit of fruitiness to it. Fantastic. It's going to go with everything. You might want to save it for Christmas or have it with Thanksgiving. But thank you so much for coming out and listening to me. Enjoy.